Alright, y'all. Back on the Mordor Nova. Shoot. Got some juice in the battery now. See what this thing do. Make sure I uncover the carburetor. Okay. Smell a little gas. Tires went flat again. Oh, let's see. Alright, fuel pump. Alright. Uh-oh. Got a little something. Not power now. Ooh, uh-oh. She might be alive, y'all. Little pat. That's what I'm talking about. I always forget how beastie this thing is. Cold-blooded shit. Hey, for that many years of sitting, y'all. Carburetor's still tripping now. Uh-oh, we got fire. We got a fire, y'all. Some bitch. Shit, water time. What water was it? Oh, fucker, boy. Oh, we still got a fire down there. Hose ain't long enough to reach your shit. About to burn down the Mordor Nova, y'all. Some bitch. Must have another fuel leak somewhere else. Oh shit, look at the bottom of that motherfucker. Damn, lit back up. Now we got water in the carburetor. Now I got a whole bunch of shit to deal with now. Fuck. Fuck it out. Yep, y'all seen it here. Live and direct. Some bitch. Yep. There's another to be continued on the Mordor Nova, y'all. Damn. Son bitch. Fuck.
To be continued.